Hey guys, I always get this question: if you delete your Fortnite app from your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch, will you be deleting your account? Well, no, you will not lose anything. As long as you guys know your username and password in order to get into your Epic account, you should be fine. So you can go ahead and delete it. So right now I have it open and I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. So that's on the top right here. And it's gonna say delete Fortnite. You can go ahead and delete Fortnite. And then I can just re-download it and I'm not gonna lose anything. So I'm gonna have the same V-Bucks that I had. I'm gonna have everything as long as you know your password and username. So I can go ahead, go back into my app store. I'm going to search for Fortnite and I'm gonna re-download Fortnite. So this is how to re-download Fortnite and install it on your iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch. It's the same thing. Now, does this matter if you guys have an Xbox, PlayStation, anything else? No. As long as you guys have and know your username and password, all your stuff is in your Epic account. Now keep in mind, if you guys buy something like V-Bucks on your iPhone, for example, and you're playing there, those V-Bucks will not transfer on to your PlayStation. So you can sign in with the same ID, however, the V-Bucks will be different. So you will start up with 0 V-Bucks on your PlayStation, for example, than the 3 million that you had on your iPhone. So I'm just gonna download this. I'm gonna wait for it to fully download. I'm gonna open it up again so you guys can see that you won't lose anything. Now you guys did notice my V-Bucks right here on my iPad and the skin that I had. So finally it downloaded. I can just click on open. It's gonna open up Fortnite. It's gonna run any updates. And right here, yes, find my account, or no, create new account. So in this case, we're gonna use the same account that we logged in before. So yes, find my account. Once you click on yes, find my account, you will need to sign in the same way that you signed in before. So in this case, you guys can sign in with your Epic name, okay? You guys can use your Xbox, Google, anything that's linked up. So just remember which one you guys linked it up to and just sign in the same way. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in with Epic Games. So after I sign in, you should see this. Just press on allow or don't allow, that's up to you guys. And then you might look for any additional updates that it should have. So if there's any additional ones, go ahead, click on install, and then it's gonna install those updates to your Fortnite. Okay, got it. And we're just gonna have to wait for those to be done. So at this point, I'm just loading back in, just have to wait a little bit. Now everything should begin kind of like new because we just downloaded the app. Let's just skip all this and get right into it. Yep, we're gonna skip all this, news, close this. For now, I'm just gonna put this, got it, and there we go. So you guys can see I have the exact same amount of V-Bucks. I have the skin that I have everything in my account that I had before. All I did was delete the app, not my account. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.